Significant figures. Significant figures are the digits that make a measurement more accurate. Names of zeros are different positions in a number. So in the number 0.0050830, this 0.00 is called as leading zeros, and 0 in between the digit 5 and 8 is called as 0 in between non-zero digit, and the end 0 is called as trailing zeros, and these 583 are called as non-zero digit. Guidelines. The leading zeros are not significant. Examples: in the case of 0.23, here 0 is not significant. There are only two significant figures, that is 2 and 3. In the case of 0.005, there are only one significant figure, that is 5. Trailing zeros without any decimal point are not significant. In the case of 2300, here there are only two significant figures, 2 and 3. Again, zeros in between non-zero digits are significant. For example, 205, here 0 in between 2 and 5 is significant. There are three significant figures, 2, 0 and 5. Again, in the case of 2.05, there are three significant figures, 2, 0 and 5. Again, trailing zeros in a whole number with the decimal are significant. 2.00, here 0, 0 are significant. There are three significant figures, 2, 0 and 0. In the case of 200 decimal, there are three significant figures, 2, 0 and 0. Again, trailing zeros after decimal point with non-zero digit preceding is significant. In the case of 2.50, here there are three significant figures, 2, 5 and 0. Again, all non-zero digits are significant. For example, 230, there are two significant figures, 2 and 3. In the case of 2.30, there are three significant figures, 2, 3 and 0. In the case of 2.03, there are three significant figures, 2, 3 and 0. In the case of 20.3, there are three significant figures, 2, 0 and 3. In the case of 0.00230, there are three significant figures, 2, 3 and 0.